So what's the definition of a smartphone daily driver? It's a device that fits your needs and it does everything that you want. So the device that's in your pocket has the best battery life, the best display, the best cameras for you, and all the features and options that you like is defined as a daily driver. Don't matter how old it is, don't matter how new it is. It's your daily driver if it does everything that you want it to do. So when people hit me up and say, hey, Easy, you got over 200 smartphones with the latest and greatest devices, such as the Galaxy S22 Ultra, the Z Fold 4, the OnePlus 10 Pro, the iPhone 13 Pro Max, and all of that, you still rocking an LG V60 with the dual display. Yes, I've had the LG V60 with the dual display for over 2 years. So a lot of people asking me, how has it held up over time? Are you ready to make a change? Well, let's find out. Sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. What's up, guys? This is Eric back with another video. So the LG V60 is a special device for me. Look, I have all the latest devices, right? And you know what? The LG V60 don't have the latest processors. It don't have the latest cameras. It don't have the latest and greatest design, right? It don't have none of that. It don't have none of that. And I know that LG Mobile is closed. But you know what? The LG V60 brings something to the table that's much more than what you think. It has dual display support, right? It got a headphone jack with the best quad DAC in the game, right? It has 8K recording in menu mode. You know what? Icing on the cake. This LG V60 has better battery life than my Galaxy S22 Ultra, and it has better battery life than my Galaxy Z Fold 4. So when we talk about performance, it performs very well. Not only that, but it has very good external speakers, and it's up to date with Android 12 to boot. So what's not to like about it, right? I see people get caught up in the hype with the newer devices. At the end of the day, it all do the same stuff, right? Play games, take photos and videos. At the end of the day, you can still go on Twitter, you can still go on Instagram, you can still go on Facebook. But what's missing with the new latest and greatest devices is versatility. Let me give you an example. The Galaxy S22 Ultra doesn't have dual screen support. A lot of people may not like it, but you know what? It's good to have. At least it's optional. The LG V60 does. The Galaxy S22 Ultra don't have a headphone jack. You got to get an adapter. Well, the LG V60 does have a quad DAC, the best in the game. Trust me, it's the best in the game. When it comes down to battery life, after 2 years, the LG V60 is still better at battery life. The Galaxy S22 Ultra can't even come close to the LG V60 when it comes down to battery life. And you know what? When you buy an LG V60, you will pay almost $1,000 less than the Galaxy S22 Ultra. Look, and you get a power brick in the box, headphones, and all that stuff else in between. I will leave that link down in the description below if you want to pick one up. Look, I'm not saying that the Galaxy S22 Ultra is not a great device. It is a great device. It would give you a lot of things that's up to date, that's newer, right? And plus longer support. Look, I'm just saying for today, right? I'm talking about today, not tomorrow. I'm talking about today. The LG V60 is a great device. So let me make sure we get this clear. I'm not saying that the LG V60 is better than the Galaxy S22 Ultra. I'm just saying that the LG V60 is a versatile device that fits my needs. The LG V60 is one of two of my daily drivers. My other daily driver is the Galaxy Z Fold 4. And look, I have other devices that I'm reviewing, but those two devices will be my primary devices that I will always have in my arsenal, right? In my pocket. The LG V60 so far, after 2 years, it's great for me. Look, battery life has been outstanding. I don't know what LG have done with the battery life on the LG V60. I'm not getting battery degradation after hundreds of charging cycles, I'm not getting that battery degradation. It's like magic to me. Battery life has been very good for me. Next, the performance is still great. After 2 years, it's still fast. Look, I'm running the Star Trek theme here, and it's smooth as butter. And I'm gonna tell you, it's very, very good. Plus pin support. Can't forget about pin support. Look, the display on the LG V60 is still good, vivid, no issues, no dead pixels, no nothing like that. And lastly, the cameras. Look, I know that they got better cameras out there. But the LG V60 cameras is just reliable for me, right? And it works, and it does everything that I needed to do. And I do have one con though. LG V60 is not perfect, but I do have one major con. After upgrading to Android 12, I lost wideband L1 support, which is a bummer. Hopefully, when we get Android 13, I will get back that support. But right now, this is the only LG device that I have so far that has been downgraded to L1 support. I mean, downgraded to L3 support instead of having L1 support. Hopefully it comes back. So yes, I'm rocking my LG V60 after 2 years. Yes, I know LG Mobile is closed. Yes, I know that the support on the LG V60 is limited, right? I have access to a bunch of devices, but at the end of the day, the LG V60 will still be in my pocket. Look, I got a bunch of phones, but it's something about the LG V60 that I love, right? And it does everything that I needed to do, which is great for me. Look, if you want to see this Star Trek launcher full tutorial, click this video right here, and I'm gonna be in the comments. Click this video right here, and I'm gonna be there waiting for you to comment. This is Eric. See you guys on the next video. Peace.